Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Google Form. Friends, if you don't have website but want to collect data online by making online form, then you simply need to share its link in any platform like WhatsApp group etc. Like this is a link of a Google Form which I have shared in WhatsApp. And we can simply use this form to do some survey or collect some data online. I just show you by filling it. I am just filling it randomly. And after filling form, press on submit. So friends, like this you can use Google Form by sharing its link. Now I will show you how to make this form. So to make a Google Form, you need to go to docs.google.com. Now in Google Form, click on these three lines on the left side corner of the screen. Now here you will find forms. Now to make a Google Form, you need to click on new. Now here we will give a title to our form. After giving title, add a question. Now from here add format to your question. As we required compulsory answer for this question, so we will mark it as required. Now we will add another question. Now from here we will select format for this question. Now we will add another question. Now we will select multiple choice format for this question. Now we will select checkbox format for this question. Now we will select drop down list format for this question. Now I will add last question in this form. Now friends, I have showed first 5 formats which are commonly used in Google Forms. Rest you can add, file upload, etc. to your Google form also. Now friends, our Google form is complete and now we will see how it look like by clicking on this preview icon. Now friends, our Google form is ready and now I will show you how to share this form. Now you need to click on send. Now here you can email this form or you can share it through link. This is the link of this form. You can also short this URL. Now copy it. Now you can share it in WhatsApp group or anywhere you want. Now after sharing this form, you will receive responses and from here you can see all your responses. Right now it is showing 0 responses, and if you want to convert all your responses in Excel format, then from here you can create a spreadsheet. Now like this you can see all your responses in Excel format. So friends, like this you can very easily make and use Google Form to collect data online. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.